Living on campus really adds a unique sort of depth to the college experience that you really can't duplicate in any other setting.
No one from my school came here, but I ended up meeting and knowing pretty much everyone on the floor.
I made so many friends just from having that community that I don't think I would have gone elsewhere.
There are really very few opportunities in life to have everything that you need right at your fingertips.
Living in Grand, dining hall is right underneath you, so it's so convenient just to go get food whenever you want. Also, it's close to the rec. It's basically like in the middle of everything.
There have been so many times that I've woken up a little bit too late, maybe 7 minutes before class starts. And it's not a big deal because I live 5 minutes away from where my class is.
I love the fact that I can leave my front door in the village and I'm on campus, and getting to see all the other Billikens walk into class is something that isn't just a freshman experience. It doesn't have to just be a freshman experience.
We know that college is about much more than simply learning in the classroom. When you live on campus, you get a much more well-rounded experience. I implore you, do not miss out on this chance.